Hey everybody, this is Vinny with GS Software, and today I'm bringing you another very useful Excel tool. So the tool today is an Excel application that calculates miles driven in each US state. There are multiple reasons why companies need to track those miles for a trip. The main one being for IFTA reporting, and this is done by tracking and transportation and other logistics companies. So the tool is built 100% in Excel, like all the tools in my channel. This means that there is nothing to install, but you do need to have a working copy of Excel in your computer. And it works fabulously well in both Windows and Mac. Let me show you really quick how it works. In the main sheet, we have a list of the trips that you have completed for a time period, such as a quarter or a month. Once you hit calculate, the tool will generate the total distance and total driving times, and also miles driven in each state. By clicking each one of the results, you can see the breakdown by state, as in the example suggested. There's also another button, another cool feature, which is the summary button, and this is a very cool feature that most likely you will need. By clicking the summary button, it will summarize the miles driven by state for all the trips in this list, not just for each individual trip. This will allow you to help you generate the needed report for that trip list. So regarding the input, what can we use? Can we use full addresses? Can we use zip codes? Can we use cities? As the tool uses Google Maps APIs, it is extremely forgiving, so the answer would be all of the above. So you can use cities, you can use full addresses, you can use zip codes, and even geocodes if needed, and anything in between. So you're not just limited to a fully formatted address, but you can use any of those type of input addresses. Once that happens, the tool gets the driving distance and driving time via Google Maps. So the results you see here will be consistent with the results you'd get from Google Maps. Then my proprietary built-in software will break down the trip by state, and that's where the magic happens. You can download purchase the tool via the link in the description, and please don't hesitate to tell me in the comments how you like the tool and if there are any modifications or changes or any additions to the tool needed. And I've been building Excel software for the last 13 years, and whatever problem you have, most likely I've solved it in the past. Please feel free to reach out either by phone, text, or email. My information, my email and phone number is listed in the description as well as in the website. Until next time.